Hello, let's talk about severe baldness restoration. We've chosen this case because of the extreme nature of the hair loss and the extreme nature of the donor challenge we had to overcome. Enjoy.
My name is Craig. I'm from Hermosa Beach, California. In my job, appearance is important, so looking for an alternative to create better appearance.
An obvious case of very severe baldness. He's had this for quite a while, has used a hairpiece, doesn't like it. Craig is somebody who likes to go for what he wants, and he's decided he wants to have a restoration. So what are the challenges? What are we faced with? Extreme baldness, Norwood 7. As Craig likes to joke, he calls himself a Norwood 8. We don't have a Norwood 8 in the official scale, but Craig likes to joke that he is a Norwood 8. We'll take Norwood 8 to mean when you have Norwood 7 with retrograde alopecia. Retrograde alopecia is when you start losing hair from your nape going up your scalp. He has that on top of the severe baldness from the top. The other challenge we have is the fact that his donor's hair on the back of his head is very thin, so he doesn't have a thick supply. That's number one. Number two, you think we'll have a lot of beard hair to rely on. Well, even on that, he's just average. And then, as if that is not enough, he has below average body hair. I mean, his chest hair is just sparse. He has some hair in the arms, some in the stomach area. That's all he's given us to work with. But we are going to make it work because we've had this experience from before and we have the technology to do that. Ugraft ZEUS allows us to make the best of whatever hair the patient has to offer. In this case, Craig has very little margin for error. So we're going to use all the good head hair we can find, the good beard hair we can find, the good hair on his body, his chest, abdomen, and arms. It will involve more than one surgery. Craig is all ready for that. He has, like I said, searched for 10 years for the right place, the right team, and he believes he's found that on us.
Well, Dr. Yu was really the only one that could handle a radical procedure. That was something that I would require.
Myself and my team are all psyched. We're ready to get going with this. Follow me in this exciting journey of Craig, and let's see how it ends.
So are you ready for this?
Let's do it. Let's do it. I waited a considerable amount of time to see if the technology would get to a level that would work for me. And that's because of my condition was so extreme that nothing out there existed. So my search was probably at least 10 years before I decided to do something, because why do something unless it's got a high probability of success?
We expect this procedure will take us a total of 2 sessions. We're going to do a global harvesting from his head, beard, body, and then we will let that sit in, and then many months later do another touch-up to boost density.
The homework that I did was quite extensive, and I made the right choice. My search was probably at least 10 years before I decided to do something, because why do something unless it's got a high probability of success?